I want to give you a tool today that's going to help you to generate months worth of content ideas very quickly. And it's called a content map, basically what you see on the board behind me. Now, if you've done a consultation with me, you've seen me sketch up something similar to this very quickly on a piece of paper, and I hold it up to the camera so you can visualize what it is I'm explaining to you. But basically, a content map is a way to visualize your overall content strategy. Now, yours is going to look different than what you see on the board behind me. This is a quick sketch of my content map. But here's how this works. So in the center bubble, this is going to be you, your business, your brand, basically anything that you want all of your content to point back to. For me, it's Shift. Now, this next level of bubbles, these are going to be your content buckets, or kind of think of your overarching content themes, the things that you are going to write the most about and the things that you want to be known for. So for me, it's marketing, branding, content, personal development, and a growing favorite among a lot of people, hashtag Sassy Jason, because y'all seem to love the sassy side of me. But these are the things that I want to be known for. If you've consumed any of my content, you know that it fits under one of these main buckets. Now, for some of your buckets, you are going to have what I call sub buckets. So for me, under marketing, that is such a huge topic and a huge bucket that you really can break it out into some very structured sub buckets. So for me, it's things like strategy and social media, website and lead gen. These are areas underneath marketing that I write a lot about. Now, all these little dashes you see around the circles, these are going to be your specific content ideas. So when I'm looking at lead gen, what are some of the specific pieces of content I can create around lead gen? Things like, how do you do it? How do you write a great lead magnet? How do you create a gated content? What makes a great lead gen tool? Things like that. So what I recommend you do is sketch out a map like this. Start with your brand and create your sub buckets for all your main pieces of content, the things that you want to be known for. And then start coming up with all the ideas that you can write about underneath each of that content bucket. This is going to help you to come up with months worth of ideas in minutes. I came up with probably 4 months worth of content in 20 minutes, just sketching out this map. And so if you need any help with this, I have put a link in the comments below where you can set up a content consultation with me where I will basically help you walk through this process. We will create your content map. We will come up with all the individual ideas under each bucket, and you will get at the end a completed map with all the ideas so that you have months worth of content ready at your disposal. If that's something you're interested in, the link is in the comments below. Otherwise, if you have any questions, you feel free to leave them in the comments or send me a DM. I am more than happy to help you to generate your own content map.